What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and I'm out here with my WLToys A959. And check it out, I did a little mod to this thing. I added the wheels from the ZD Racing BX16 buggy, and these wheels are a little larger than the wheels that come stock on this thing, but these wheels make this thing perform stellar, man. This thing is just a beast now. It was already really fast, but now it just has so much traction now and so much handling. The handling is just better now. So another thing that I found out about this, it does have oil filled shocks. They were just empty, so I added oil, and now no more bouncing around. So this thing is a really awesome vehicle here, really awesome RC car. This is the A959B, which is the one with the larger motor. So that explains how fast this thing is, but it's even faster with these wheels on it here. Now, my ZD Racing BX16 buggy, I did add some larger wheels on that too. So I'll show you guys a video on that too. But I think this one is faster. This might be the fastest RC car that I have at the moment. Given I don't have a lot of these RC cars, but this is the fastest one that they've sent me yet. It's not brushless, it's a brushed motor in here. I haven't timed them or anything like that, but just from eyesight, just seeing how fast this thing moves along, it looks like this one is the fastest by far. And what else? Oh, I had to do a little mod to this thing to actually get these wheels to fit on, because when you remove the wheels on these cars, they have this little black nut shaped piece on there that the wheel actually grabs in order to turn the dog bone on this thing. And so the one that comes stock on this is a little smaller than the ones that come stock on the BX16 buggy, because this is a 1/18th scale, whereas the BX buggy, the BX16 buggy is a 1/16th scale, so it's a little bit larger. So what I did was just remove that little piece that I was talking about from this one and swapped it out with the other one from one of my 1/16th scale ZD Racing cars that I have, a truck. And that truck, that little yellow truck, I actually put the wheels from that on my BX16 buggy. But let's get a quick run. I'm just gonna do a short little speed run to show you guys how fast. I don't have a way to actually see how fast it's moving, but you guys should be able to see just from eyesight how fast this thing is and how much more traction these wheels give it. I mean, this thing brakes on a dime now, and it doesn't fishtail or anything when it's doing brakes. When I'm braking it, it doesn't fishtail or anything. It slides sometimes when I'm moving too fast. But let's just check this thing out. Really fast little car now. So check it out. It doesn't really slide as much as it did before. It's more traction, better handling. Now check out how fast this thing moves. A complete 360 spin there. But I can just go from 0 to full throttle on this thing, full gas, and it won't really spin out. It'll just start moving. Check it out. So not much slipping on the tires there. I can put the pedal to the metal on this thing, and it'll just accelerate now. Not too much slipping. Whoa, really careful not to crash this thing because I really like it. And check out the brakes. Uh-oh, something happened. Piece of gravel or something got in there. Let's see if we can get that out. Okay, it's out now. So check it out. That's the brakes there. So it brakes really nice too. That's full speed. Oh, a little spin out there. Let's get back over here in the front. Okay, I'm gonna try to go full speed and brake. Check it out. Brakes really nice. Brakes again. Do a full speed pass here. Oh! I was trying not to hit that curve there. That curve. Let's move over closer this way. I don't want to hit that bump either. Check it out. That's full speed there. Man, this thing is fast. And it's accelerating. It's going faster and faster the longer you keep your gas down on this thing. So let's go from back here. Give it a chance to build up speed. Okay, let's try again from this way. And this thing still never flips over, even with all this added speed. Man! And it flipped over at the end down there. I got some damage here. Yep. Looks like I have a reason to get the new upgraded shocks now, because my shock just broke on the rear right. You guys can see that it's wobbling around now, just swinging around. So I guess I'm going to get some new shocks for it, some better shocks. But these are oil filled, so they're a little better than I initially thought. But I guess that's it. Really awesome little car here. It's a little beat up now with that shock broken there. But that's it. This thing is a speed demon. The WLToys A959B with modded tires. Modded with larger tires. Thanks for watching. Check out the balloon effect.